Good morning from Ocean City Airport. Winds 340 at 11, about 38 degrees. Just missed the Cessna taking off. Ooh, I should throw my jacket on. It's a little chilly. I'm out here with Huckleberry Ham. Saw 2 planes on the ramp and 1 Cessna taxiing in. Yeah, the sock is favoring 3-2. He's way out there somewhere. I can see him, but I'm sure the camera can't pick him up on my phone. What do you think there, Pooch? Huh? Yeah, don't bother me, I'm sniffing. So nothing but garage people here today at the airport. I drove around the hangars, make sure there was no other dogs loose. And all the people that have the garages at the end of the hangars are here. Trucks galore. Not too bad. Not a bad day to fly. I'm coming down here to film a little bit and probably vacuum out the plane, replace my data or update my data card that expired on the 24th. New one's good till March 24th. Yeah, he's starting to descend, so he's probably doing some landing practice. Stop and goes. Other than that, it's really quiet here today. Just the bird, the pooch, and me. Come on, girl. All right. Have a good day today. Okay, I did have a plan to vacuum the plane, but I passed on that. Instead, I updated my Garmin 480 data card. And that's now good till, I think, March 23rd. I also used the Velcro strips for an easy pass to set up my ADSB Sentry. Right there where it had shown. It's out of the way. Hopefully it'll work fine. I'll keep an eye on it. So just letting the systems boot up and checking everything. Ends 3:23. Next I decided to check the JPI engine analyzer. I wanted to just double check what fuel it was showing as compared to what I had stuck to tanks. I figured about 34 gallons in the tanks. Let's see what this says. Trying to get it to scan. 34 remaining. Ooh. Cylinder head temperatures were just 37 degrees. And the oil is only 36 degrees. The temperature in the hangar is about 53. And it did say I had 33.7 gallons on board. There we go, just flashed. Let's shut the master off. Okay, let's go take a quick peek what's out on the flight line. I've been hearing some planes buzzing around out there, so we'll go out and take a quick ride. Okay, at Ocean City Airport today. Winds are favoring 3-2. I have 3 Cessnas, probably all school planes. Here comes number 1. Let's see if I can get him on here. Too bad. The Cessna that just landed has taxied back. That's a school plane. I don't have my radio on. Actually, I have it with me because I'm going to go home and charge it. It has a low battery that I keep in the plane at all times. All right, this other guy finished his run-up. He's just to the left of the sock. And the other school plane is taxiing out onto the runway. I stopped over here today, let the dog run a little bit, had to update my data card, cleaned up the plane, found a place to mount my Sentry ADSB in with the CO2 detector, and redid my camera mount so I can consolidate on one battery pack. Okay, here comes the other school plane. Number 3's taxiing out. I don't know about y'all, but I could sit here and watch planes take off and land all day. I should probably be in the air today. Try my new oxygen setup. But we'll get to that. Okay, here's one on base. No way you can see them with this little cell phone camera. So I guess we're going to get a landing in before this next guy goes out. At least let's hope so. I don't have my radio on, so like I said, don't know who's talking and who's not. All right, base to final. Nice, keep the nose pointed over. Ziva's in the back making noise. Let's see if we can zoom in a little. Yeah, might be able to see him there. Yep, we can. Just going behind the sock. Nice, nice. Oh man, rolled it right on. Very nice. Nice job. He's off the runway in less than 1,500 feet. Good job. I don't know if that's a school plane or not. Oh, there's a couple planes up on the ramp today. The yellow Bonanza that's always in and out of here. A couple Cessnas, and I can't tell what that other plane is. There's a Bonanza that just landed, or a Debonair, and there's a Piper that's sitting there. All right, he's taxiing back. I'm sorry, I'm not paying attention to the camera. I'm looking all over the place above the camera. If I pay attention, I might be able to see the planes. All right, third one taking off. It looks like that Cessna that landed's going back over to the FBO. So he must have been flying in. Weather's not too bad for the weekend. A little chilly. Where is that guy? There we go. Let's get the camera on him, Gary. That's it from the airport today. Hopefully we'll get in the air in the next couple of days. It's supposed to be nice this coming week. We're going to go up and test out the oxygen setup. And we'll report back on that and get some video. Thanks for watching today.